This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Mark Gibson. This charming home is beautifully situated on close to an acre and is located less than 2 miles from Lowe's Corporate and Exit 33. New carpet was just installed and the hardwood floors were recently refinished. The kitchen and bathrooms were recently updated and the house has fresh paint throughout. Additionally, the roof, appliances, well pump, and water heater have all been replaced within the last 3 to 7 years. This home boasts an impossible to find 2,000 square feet shop that measures 40x 50. The shop is fully insulated, includes a full bathroom and can easily accommodate a full-size motor coach. The property is subject only to Iredell County taxes and NOT Mooresville City taxes. It's worth mentioning that 2 bedrooms are located on the upper floor and the 3rd bedroom is located on the 1st floor. For this reason the home may not be well suited for families with smaller children. Seller will require pre-approval prior to scheduling showings. For more information,